Hi, I'm Sunny Mitra, founder of Bright Horizon Wealth. We teach entrepreneurs and go-getters like you how to own their financial future with the concept of infinite banking. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every Tuesday and Thursday we come out with brand new videos. So, today's topic is why infinite banking is better. Before starting the topic, there is a word of caution. Today's video is going to be boring. It does not have humor or speed, just plain facts. But one thing I can promise you is that if you stay tuned to the end of the video, you will learn today with certainty how you can make more money not by working any harder but by working smarter. In other words, it's a unique opportunity for you today because today you are going to get a lot of good things about finances at one place. Let's get started. There are a variety of vehicles in which you can place your money. Some have risks, some do not. The goal is to maximize your return and minimize your risk. I would like to compare the most common ones for you today. Some you may be familiar with, some you may not. I'll explain PLI shortly. I'm sure that you are familiar with the Home Equity Line of Credit, HELOC, Certificate of Deposit, CD, Money Market and 401k plans. You may also be familiar with a margin account, but if not, it is simply a way that you can obtain a line of credit within a brokerage account. Let us look at a list of desirable features which you may find important for your own money. Which of these vehicles provide for tax-deferred growth? You will notice that only 3 of them do. Which of these vehicles provide for a tax-free distribution? I can only identify one that does. Which of these vehicles provide a competitive return? We are talking about returns in excess of 7%. Which of these vehicles allow for high contributions? You will notice that the 401k plan is limited to $19,000 per year by IRS rules, so it does not qualify. I'll come back to additional benefits in a minute. Which of these vehicles provide for collateral opportunities? Almost all of them. Agreed, but not the 401k plan. What do we mean by safe harbor? Essentially, we are saying that the principal is protected. There are only 3 vehicles that provide a safe harbor. What do we mean by no loss provisions? In essence, we are saying that the gain is protected. There are only 3 vehicles that provide no loss provisions. Which of these vehicles provide for a guaranteed loan option? Why would this be important? Wouldn't you want to be in a position to get a loan with no scrutiny? As you see here, only 2 vehicles provide a guaranteed loan option. Which of these vehicles provide for unstructured loan payments? Let's pause here for a second. Unstructured loan payments means that you can pay back the loan when you want, in the amount you want, and if you want. That is phenomenal. Out of all these vehicles, only one has the feature. Now, what's even more exciting to me than the unstructured loan payments is the prospect of having liquidity, use and control of your money. A money market account certainly provides this, but the returns are dismal. And while it is also available in a margin account, your money is at risk. The PLI account provides a competitive return and no risk, while you have the prospect of liquidity, use and control of your money. I know I said that I would tell you what PLI stood for, and I promise I will. The last desirable feature on our list is deductible contributions, the vehicle that everyone clamors about the 401k plan is the only one that provides that feature. Providing 4 out of 12 features, 30%, is not too impressive in my book. So, if I ask you, would you rather have the red features or the green features? Which would you say? Of course, you would say the green features. Why would you say it? Because we all want to get the best possible features when we are talking about our money. Now let's get back to the PLI. It stands for Permanent Life Insurance. Most people have a misconception of what life insurance is all about. Life insurance is the most tax efficient vehicle available when you are looking for a place to put your money. Most agents don't even know what we just discussed because they are not trained to maximize your money. We are specialists and we have an obligation of doing what is in your best interest. That also means that we need to understand all aspects of the vehicle that we recommend to our clients. I'll also say that all life insurance policies are not created equal. You are able to maximize these features when you properly structure a non-direct recognition whole life insurance policy. Once consumers find out that all of these features are available to them in a vehicle that has been around for nearly 200 years, they get mad that no one has broken it down like we just did. And here is the best part. Now that you know how a whole life insurance policy can beat others by leaps and bounds, you also might have noticed that not only it gives you a better, bigger and guaranteed return than others, but on the top of it, it also gives you a death benefit. Now let's go one step forward. How about if I told you that by using this policy in the right way, you can get out of your debts and also can create a tax-free retirement income. And all these things you do with the concept of infinite banking. How do we do this? Through the infinite banking concept, it's all about using a whole life insurance policy to create your own banking system so that you can leverage the cash value inside that policy and finance your lifestyle as opposed to going to the banks. So you can keep all of that principal and interest for yourself every single year. So that's about it for today. Now I have a question for you. What is the one thing you got from this video today? Please let us know in the comment section. It will help us improve our message. Thank you for watching our video today. If you want to learn more about it, check out our free on-demand masterclass which explains it in a more in-depth setting. Please give us a like, subscribe and share it with your family. Check out our next video called How to Use Infinite Banking as an Investment. And don't forget to own your financial future or someone else will.